Growth continues to take place in the Shiba Inu Coin community, and we've got some physical projects that are now taking form, and we're going to highlight those in this video, absolutely. But there's another thing that I want to focus on as well, and it's a lot of talk about Bitcoin ETFs with BlackRock, Bitcoin ETFs with Fidelity, Bitcoin ETFs with Grayscale, and whether or not that's going to be bought out by BlackRock. This is much more important than a lot of people are giving focus to, because it could legitimize the entire industry and set us on a path to where that regulation allows for a bull market to return. So we're going to discuss that as well, how it's going to affect Shiba Inu Coin moving forward, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. Now if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. And with all of the nonsense that the SEC has going on out there right now, it may be prudent to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet so that you mitigate the risk of a centralized exchange and make that cryptocurrency your asset. Now guys, there's a lot to discuss when it comes to Shiba Inu Coin, when it comes to cryptocurrency in general, all of the news circulating around out there. But we're going to focus on a couple things in this video, and the first of which I want to talk about is Shiba Cows. Okay, Shiba Cows is apparently an ecosystem-endorsed physical product maker, not just for Shiba Inu Coin, but apparently for all types of NFT projects and so on. Shiba Cows is very interesting because they have garnered the support of the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team. So I imagine there's some sort of a percentage kickback going on there. But if you guys look at what one of their most recent announcements, it's that a special announcement is coming soon. And no, it's not just hoodies and it's not just toys. Now, I don't know what that means. You guys can speculate if you would like, absolutely. But when it comes to these physical products, what I see happening with Shiba Inu Coin right now is Shiba is being turned into some sort of a brand, some sort of a marketing tactic towards consumers. You see it with all types of major communities that are built up. And I know if you've watched like the shows that made us or the toys that made us and so on, you can see that, you know, Power Rangers, My Little Pony, you've got Ninja Turtles out there, Hello Kitty. All of these things start from nothing. And then massive followings take place. The exact same thing happened with Shiba Inu Coin. It started from nothing, and a massive following and a massive community was built, and then come the toys. Then come the markets. Then come the sellouts, right? And that's what we're seeing right now, is the fact that Shiba Inu Coin is being sold in a way that benefits the manufacturers and in a way that benefits the ecosystem team, and not necessarily bringing much value to Shiba Inu Coin as a cryptocurrency. So I am a little skeptical of what they got going on right now, but nonetheless, that is the direction that they are choosing to build during this bear market. Now, I say during this bear market, but Shiba Inu Coin had a very nice week, and it soared 7.5% on a weekly basis. It was up a little bit more yesterday, but has since come back down as some people are taking profits there. But one of the things that we are not seeing, social media mentions and social media engagement rising in line with the price. This is interesting. It can mean one of two things. Either that the price rise is not going to be sustained, so please be aware of that, or that we are just lagging behind and we could see even further growth as social media kind of catches up to the price action. The price is up 7.5%, but Shiba Inu Coin mentions are down 24%. The price is up 7.5%, but social media engagement for Shiba Inu Coin is down 20%. Social media dominance is down 24%. Shared links are down 22%. Spam, all of those spammers out there are absolutely taking advantage of the price rise, and spam content is up 128%. So please be aware that this may mean that the Shiba Inu Coin price action is not sustainable. It's more of a hype-driven bounce, and if people do not get on board and get excited about it, we may see it just as soon fade. Now, one of the things that I want to touch on, guys, that I've seen a lot of headlines floating around out there for today is the fact that a Bitcoin ETF may be started by BlackRock. Now, I don't need to go in and read the articles. We can just go over kind of the headlines on it. BlackRock is looking at either, buying out Grayscale, which is the current largest Bitcoin ETF, or they are looking at starting their own. Now, in and of itself, this doesn't really affect Shiba Inu Coin at all. But if we start to see institution after institution competing for Bitcoin ETFs and competing the cryptocurrency industry, and institutions get on board, it's going to mean one of two things. Either they believe in the future, or the regulation is already coming and creating a framework for cryptocurrency in general. Now, we know that Shiba Inu Coin continues to build. We know that we've got a layer 2 blockchain on the horizon. We've got games, we've got toys, we've got hoodies, we've got basically anything and everything you could want in a cryptocurrency being built during this bear market. The only thing we lack, confidence. Guys, 2021 was insane. Okay, we had people with free money. Thank you, government, for passing out all of those. I'm not going to call them names, right? Passing out all of that free money that resulted in inflation and resulted in, potential economic recession and depression talks and inflationary hyperinflation talks, all of the nonsense that came from that. But that increase in free money gave people massive confidence that they could go out there and invest. Not only was it the free money, it was the fact that we had seen a stock market rise for a decade plus. People were buying and they did not care about the consequences. A market like that will return. And Shiba Inu Coin, if it is still here, will see massive inflows of money and massive increases in value. So it doesn't necessarily matter what takes place in terms of single coins or single cryptocurrency projects out there. It's all a matter of whether or not the market is confident in what they are buying. And right now, because of the regulatory concerns, they're not confident in Shiba Inu Coin. But once institutions get involved, once the regulatory framework is cleared up, people will pour back into Shiba Inu Coin and other cryptocurrency projects like we haven't seen before, and massive gains could be on the horizon. So I am absolutely still optimistic. I know it's just going to take time to get there. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.